So designing and developing a new product that's patented is a long, rigorous process. We have to start with solving the problem. We have to move towards what does this want to look like? There's a creative brief. Some things are easier than others, but when there is prior art, our industrial design team has to work around that in case we want to solve a problem that exists. We actually want to make it better. And it's a rigorous process. Bumboo came from most of the chairs, most of the beach chairs and camping chairs out there are steel and aluminum. And now with steel and aluminum tariffs, it's very difficult. Prices are inflating quite rapidly. Bumboo came from, what are we going to do different? How do we make clever products outside? Clever products, this is still going to be a chair. You're still going to sit in the chair, but functionally it will add the value will be the sustainability of the bamboo. It's fresh. There's a patented process to take apart the Bumboo chair and store it so you can throw it over your shoulder. It's a bungee cord system that's clever. And there's a shade umbrella that goes with it. So it's a very, it's fresh ideas. It's taking a product category and making it a little bit more fresh and a little bit more innovative.